Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In the last class, we have discussed about seasonal and temporary migrations. Let's continue the topic in this session. These people, when they are staying here in the Kopis, how are they staying there? When it comes to 200 to 500 families staying in a particular place and the buffaloes and all those domestic animals are tied there, can you understand that situation? What a disabled situation they are facing when they move from one place to another place. At that same time, we have discussed in the cities where they are staying in the slum areas. At the same time, when it comes to this topic, they have to do that because they need them to be survived better than in the villages. Otherwise, they can't do any other thing. Then, what do these people do? Firstly, they get up in the early morning. Parents, both men and women, go there to the sugarcane fields to cut and remove the leaves and all these things and throw them outside. The children, those 2 lakh children who are there, help their families to get them and to tie them and keep them in the bullock cart, and they carry them to the sugarcane factories. They stand there in queue for hours. Then they get that approved there. Then they give back and walk miles of kilometers back to their kopis or huts. This is the process they do during the sugarcane season in the west of Maharashtra. Now, this is an example happening in Maharashtra. At the same time, we have an example in the rural seasons. The rural people move on to other places like in search of work in plantations, brick kilns, then in quarries, construction sites, and etc. Here, they are not only migrating from one place to another place for one reason. They are migrating for various other reasons, not only for the sugarcane work but for many other things. Let us see some another examples. In Bengal, we have 5 lakh people migrating from one place to Bardhama district, where they need to get in rice shops or in the rice mills and all these things. We have another example. In Kerala, we have 50,000 women every time migrating to the fish processing industries and all these things. So we have various issues which are addressing here. This is the only one factor binding them. It is the survivor for them to get the better thing to survive. Basic necessities of migration is to survive. The National Commission of Rural Migration of Labor in 1990s came to the clear view that what is the basic reason for the people of so many categories getting migrated from one place to another place. The basic reason is the lack of the regional disparities in development. The regional disparities in development had led the people to move on to another place where there is no development. They are forced to move to the regions where there is a chance for development for them as well as the region. Once you get the opportunity, their people will tend to get migrated for the places where you are getting the better opportunities. This is the view expressed by the National Commission of Rural Mission in the Labor Report of 1990s. So we got this view outside. So now we have to a government or anybody has to plan for regional balanced development so that you get the balanced development and migration. Now that's all for today, friends. Let's meet in the next session. Thank you.